Damn. Safe to say he's pretty fast. So a couple videos ago, we talked about how the vet, we thought the alternator was making a very strange noise. And the reason why we thought it was the alternator was because of these lights right here. But in last video, we changed them out. We saw a bunch of corrosion in there, and we knew that it wasn't the alternator that caused that issue. So we took the Corvette over to the shop that originally did the head work for the car. I had them take a look at it because the noise just got worse and worse. The rev hang was crazy, and as the RPMs increased, so did the noise. The car still drives fine, and you know, power-wise, it's there, responsiveness. I gave them the keys and let them take the car around the block, and even they said that the rev hang is annoying and it's a lot higher than it should be. It's more present whenever I actually put the clutch in. That's where the RPMs seem to have that issue. So he said it's fine for now. They didn't have as much time as they should have because it was the end of the day. But as long as we're good to drive the car, we're just gonna keep driving it around. It's not gonna be an issue. If it did get worse, they told me to bring the car back in and they'll take a look at it. They plugged in the computer, they hooked it up, they didn't see any issues with that, and they also put it on a lift. So it's 100% a clutch issue. Either way, it's bound to fix itself because any mods that I do to this car performance-wise, we're eventually gonna have to upgrade the clutch as it is. It's a stock clutch right now. The car has 30,000 miles. It's about that time to switch it out. So I'm not too worried about that. Damn. Liberty Walk GTR, just chilling at the mall, bro. Yeah, this is on bags, bro. God damn. We got the 3 Vits. M8. Damn, 4-door M8 clean. Got the M3s here too. This M2 is clean as shit. E92 with a deep dish. I wasn't a big fan at first, but Z06s are growing on me, bro. They honestly sound crazy. 911 Touring GT3. We got a Turbo S. SF90. 812. The GT3 from last meet. And a 765 on carbon wheels, bro. Apparently the same guy owns all these cars. And the Senna. Damn. I'm about to sin right now. Pop a trunk, you know she stunk. See that? Uh-oh. But yeah, it's another day right now. I'm going back to the shop I did my tint. The rear hatch in this car really is hard to wrap, so I understand why it might have got messed up. I don't know if y'all can see on camera, but we have some bubbles back here, and all this hasn't seated right. Also over here, we have some more bubbling. As time goes on, all that's just gonna get worse, so we gotta take care of it now. In the rain, she looks mean. Overall, the tint is fire. I just need to get the back hatch fixed. It complements the car really well, so I might go darker, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah. And the tint is not done. The taillights look fresh though, that's for sure. This car is fucking dirty, bro. That's why I don't take it out in the rain. It's gonna need a detail now. I sat inside there for like 4 hours and watched them try with 3 pieces of tint over and over again. They had no luck. They're also scheduling an appointment to set it up with the professional installers of the company who owns the wrap. They're gonna have them come out and do it just because they've been doing it for like 8-9 years and they still can't figure it out. It really is one of the hardest pieces of glass to wrap, period. So I'm just trying to get it over with. At least I don't have bubbly and wrinkled tint in the rear. It's nice and clean now, and the front and the side are tinted. The rear is tinted enough stock to the point where it doesn't look bad without tint, but it is noticeable now that I have the sides and the fronts tinted up, so it is what it is. It's just disappointing because I'm very meticulous with my cars. I like to keep them pristine. I like things done the way that I want them done. So when any little detail is off, it really bothers me. I definitely notice a lot more things than the average person would, and let's be honest, if it's your car, you're gonna see more than they would. But nothing with this vet wants to ever go smoothly, bro. It's always an issue involved with everything. I guess it's just a part of the process. But now that I'm in here and everything else is getting done, the interior really does need some love. The steering wheel and the airbag cover is definitely something we're gonna be changing out in the future. I just don't like the stock look anymore. It's not bad, but once you start doing everything else inside the car, it really does stand out in a bad way. And what a bummer, dude. It is a shitty day today. Bro, I don't know if y'all can tell, but she is so fucking dirty from the weather this weekend. Oh my God, that's insane. Yeah, it 100% is gonna need to get washed. Holy fuck. But yeah, it's another day now. Nothing ended up happening this weekend. The weather was shit. All the meets got canceled. Nothing went right. And if you look, we are a fish bowl. And not only that, it's dirty now too, which sucks. But one thing y'all might have seen in the beginning of the video was a new car part in my garage. We picked up something this weekend. It's pretty crazy, but the last couple parts that I needed in my vet have just kind of popped up on Marketplace out of nowhere when I need them. We got 2-inch headers and a 3-inch X-pipe. They are 2 to 3-inch headers, and they're also American racing. So I really did pick these up for a steal. They usually go for like $3,000 brand new. They're insanely expensive, and I paid nowhere near that. In all honesty, the guy who got them just wanted to dump them off. He said, I got a new setup, I'm just trying to get rid of these, so I took advantage, you know me. It definitely wasn't expected, but you gotta take advantage when it comes up. And now, in all honesty, I could throw it on the car now. I could wait a little while. I don't really know what I wanna do yet. I kinda wanted to wait to do all the performance stuff at once, just so we only have to tune the car once. Having to retune, honestly, is just a waste of money and time. I really don't want to do that. So I could just throw it on and call it a day, make my car sound a lot better. I don't really know what I want to do yet. But as you can see, super nice out right now. Took the vet out to get some photos. I really do love this car, man. Got the bikes up there having fun. I know this is more of a chill vid. Not much going on this week. Really just took out the vet, got the tint off, and picked up some parts as well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, whether or not I should throw the exhaust on now, or if I should wait and do a bunch of stuff to the vet all at once. Now, I could do the exhaust myself, but that will be kind of a pain in the ass. I don't have a lot of space in my garage, so jacking up the car on all fours and then being underneath it when it's 1.5 feet, 2 feet off the ground, getting stuck halfway through a big job like that is definitely something that I don't want to do. So we're gonna try to avoid that as much as possible. But yeah, man, it's just me. I'm out here right now. I'm probably gonna take a few more photos of the vet. It's golden hour right now, so once that sun starts to set more, all these buildings look real nice in photos. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think I should go ahead and just throw the exhaust on now, or I should do everything all together. But I'll catch you guys later. Peace.